Good day, gentlemen and ladies. Today we are the 3rd of January 2025. As you can see behind me, we had a very windy winter storm. We had gusting wind up to 70 kilometers per hour. We received roughly 20 centimeters. It doesn't show at some place because of the wind gust, as you can see my car behind, but it was we went to plus 10 Celsius to minus 18 Celsius quite fast. Right now it's the temperature went up to we're only minus 12, but tonight minus 18 again, and definitely the winterman has landed. We almost lost half all the snow, as you saw in my last video. So today it's pure tractor therapy, snow tractor therapy with my outstanding Mahindra eMax 20s HST subcompact tractor. All right, so and you can see the snow bank because caused by the wind, and I can see Gaetan's already starting to do his side. So I'm going to have fun. So I'm gonna put my car in the back, so stick around. And definitely very nice open cab tractor therapy. All right, cheers. Look, it's Jasper, le puppy dog. Jasper, oui. He's not too sure because he doesn't recognize me. So look at the snowbank here, caused by the wind drift, and this is why, folks, you need to put a table to cut the wind, because the roof worked very good, but because of that it helped to keep the snow away from your heat pump. Oh my god, I didn't see that. Look at the snow drift in front of my firewood. I'm gonna have to do some shoveling. All right, so let's start the tractor. Very nice to go inside my garage, and the floor is bone dry of hydraulic oil. Yesterday, before the deep cold start to arrive with the gusty wind, I cleared the snow bank, and also did a complete inspection of the seal, and everything is bone dry. The new seal in the back and the front, and the oil level is outstanding, so I'm very happy about that. Yes, someone was asking me how my aluminum foil is holding in place. So you can see the elastic rubber band right there and the other one there, and under this cold condition, and the new batteries that I bought last spring, I think, truly outstanding. All right, so stick around. This is the rear view mirror that I have on my Mahindra tractor. Very useful, and also the right one too. All right, stick around. Alright folks, so there you have it. It's the wind start to calm down, but the temperature is dropping, so yeah. I'm very happy about the rear seals. They hold up. This is the third time that I use my tractor. The total perhaps maybe an hour and a half of use, and it's bone dry. It passed the test. I'm very happy. So I'm going to open my good friend Bill, the sport veteran, the greatest one, the one in Quebec for me in this province. And yes, I did open my front neighbor. This is a pure Canadian gentleman things to do. All right. And thank you very kindly for all your standing support, comment, and let's help each other in knowledge, information. And life is very good in the open cab tractor with in these cold conditions. Keep you fresh, keep you young and healthy. All right, and it's very therapeutic. So please do take care of yourself. I just aiming at I have a good spectator, Jasper is looking. Yeah, Jasper. Yeah, he's still young. He's kind of cold, poor puppy dog. Anyway, so yeah, take care of yourself. Remember, folks, life is very good. Cheers.